Magandang umaga, tanghali, hapon, gabi. Sa Earth element sign na Capricorn, Lola Baby po nagpapakilala. Bibigyan ko kayo ng reading, timeless reading, para sa mga natitirang araw-linggo ng Hunyo. Yan. Kung di pa po kayo nakasubscribe, baka nais po niyong magbigay ng isang mag-subscribe, likes and share para lang po lumago ang channel ng Lola. Salamat po. So ito po is general, hindi po ito a personal rating. Okay? So the bottom card, narito ang tinatawag na the 10. Okay? The 10 of Pentacles. Ibig sabihin nito, lumalago ang inyong kabuhayan. Yan ha, lumalago daw po ang inyong kabuhayan. Lumalago ang inyong reputasyon. Lumalago ang iyong pangalan. Yan. So, meron dito tinatawag na the Ace of Pentacles. Yan. It's like meron dito tinatawag na doors opening. Yan, opportunities. It has something to do about your kabuhayan. Ibig sabihin nito, an increase at saka yung tinatawag na gains. Okay? Yan. Para sa Capricorn, narito ang tinatawag na the King of Swords. Yan ha. Okay. The King of Swords, it's about your understanding. Diba? It's like tinatawag na you are waiting for an orders. You are waiting for, it's like, it's about your responsibilities, di ba? It's like meron kayong hinihintay. Na it's like a task. Yan. A project, a work. Order. Yan ha. So kasi naman itong tinatawag na mga ka-partner ninyo, di ba? Ka-interaction ninyo, okay? Where you have relationship. Yan ha. It's like dito kayo yung tinatawag na kumikita, umuunlad, di ba? So meron dito, it's like tinatawag na you are the apple of their eyes. Yan ha. You are the apple of their eyes. Maybe ipatatawag kayo. Yun ang nakikita ko. Maybe yung tinatawag na ikaw ang i-elect nila for a position. Kaya narito ang tinatawag na the King of Swords, di ba? Maybe there is an open position, kayo ang napupusuan nilang ilagay. Piliin. Okay? So lumabas pong muli, second time lumabas ang tinatawag na the 10 of Pentacles. So ibig sabihin nito, for some of you is tinatawag of gains, wins, okay? Victory, abundance, luck, provision. Yan ha. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na provision in friends, okay? Provision sa project, sa trabaho, sa profession, sa inyong career. So nakikita dito, tinatawag a very, very big transformation is going to happen. Manifesting po. Yan ha. Okay. So yun ang nakikita ko sa inyo. Maybe you will receive, okay, an invitation, a talk, communication. Okay? Maybe dahil kasi may kinalaman sa 10 of Pentacles, maybe they will give you a higher position, acceleration, di ba? Increase ng income or wages. Yan ha. So maraming attracted sa inyo. Okay? Yan. Ibig sabihin nito, malaki ang kumpiyansa nila sa inyo. Okay? So narito ang tinatawag na the five of cups. Yan. So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na it's like kayo lang, okay, ang makakapagpuno ng kanilang mga pangangailangan ng mga taong ito. Yan. So, kumbaga dito, it's a very, very big responsibilities ang iaatang sa inyo. And ibig sabihin nito, huwag mo silang i-disappoint. Yan. Huwag mo silang tinatawag na pahihiyain. Yan ha. So, meron dito. Narito ang tinatawag na the death. Yan ha. For some of you, may nakikita lang ako dito. It's like, bago tayo tumuloy, it has an energy of, sabi nga nila, wala daw baho, okay, na hindi nabubunyag. Okay? Walang sekreto na habang buhay, ito ay matatago. Ito is mabubunyag at mabubunyag din. Diba? So, whatever is this, ibig sabihin nito, meron lang ako ditong nakikita. It's like, kung sino itong mga tao, kaya nagkaroon kayo ng tinatawag na conflict from the past. Yan ha? Yan. Iingatan nyo dahil lumabas ang tinatawag na the death. Diba? It's like, maaring taong ito, ang sisira sa iyong pangalan. Okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, if ever lumabas ito, magpakita ito ngayon sa inyo dahil manifesting, ibig sabihin nito, ayusin na what's between you and them na nangyari from the past, di ba? Maaring dito'y nakasalalay ang iyong tinatawag na reputasyon. Dahil ay itong taong ito, kung sino man itong mga ito, may balak silang sirain ang iyong pangalan. Okay? It's like, ibabalik nila ang tinatawag the past. Okay? Kumbaga dito'y kilala nila kayo from the past. But kasi meron dito, it's like naglilitawan, di ba? Because pag sinabi mong the death, it's like tinatawag na transformation, beginning and an ending, okay? Of a story of life, di ba? The rebirth, di ba? Yan. So, pero nakita mo naman sa simbolang, doon ko na lang po binase, okay? Kung sino man ito, ibig sabihin nito, ngayong mabango ka na, di ba? It's like you win a lot of friends, a lot of people, colleagues, di ba? Pero meron dito, it's like tinatawag from the past na mga nakasama ninyo. Yan ha? They have it's like meron silang pinaplano, di ba? So be very, very careful. Yan. Once na nagpakita sila, ayusin nyo na, di ba? Kasi nakasalalay dyan ang inyong tinatawag reputasyon, baka masira. Okay? Ayusin na po. So narito ang tinatawag na the Three of Pentacles, there is growth, di ba? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, meron growth sa isang relationships, interaction, okay? It's like partnering. Meron growth. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag manifesting, talagang magkakaroon ng tinatawag transformation. It's like you speak their language, they speak your language. Narito ang tinatawag na meeting of the minds. Yan ha. So, ano man ito, ibig sabihin nito, you are ready na. Yan na. You are ready. It's like ito'y manifesting, you are ready. Okay? For this tinatawag na challenge, a job, okay, interaction, yan. It's like they need your kailangan nila ang iyong tinatawag na talino, yan, intelligence, yan. So you are ready na. So ibig sabihin nito, tinatawag na there is, okay? It's like you will, whatever is this, it's like magkakaroon dito ng sealed, yan, usapan, a contract, yan ha, a contract, sealed contract, congratulations, handshake, okay? So, ibig sabihin nito, magkakaroon ng tinatawag growth, okay? Understanding, yan, trust, yan ha. So, ibig sabihin nito, magdadala sa inyo sa tinatawag na tagumpay. Yan ha. So sineparate ko lang ito dahil there is isa man ito, ilan man itong taong ito. Ibig sabihin nito, nakikita nila what's happening to you now. Okay, nasasaksihan nila, nawi-witness nila. So be very, very careful. Kung sino man itong, halimbawa parang nakasamaan nyo ng loob, di ba? Parang kumbaga dito siguro naging parte ito ng buhay ninyo. Kung sino man itong mga ito, tapusin na po. Ha? Okay? Dahil ay sila ang makakasira sa inyong pagkatao. Yan ha. So napakaganda po dito dahil ito yung tinatawag ay manifesting. Ito yung tinatawag mangyayari na. Mangyayari po ha. So narito ang tinatawag na the 5 of swords. You will work. It's like you are working, you are dealing, you are talking, exchanging ideas, whatever is this, a group of people. Nakikita ko. So maaring ito yung tinatawag mag-gains, okay? We win. It's like a lot of people is coming your way, di ba? So ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na they have the same vibes like you. Yan. So magkakaroon ng growth. If it is a project, if it has something to do about your profession, narito yung tinatawag na attractiveness. It's like tinatawag magnet, okay? Namamagnet mo ang mga tao papunta sa inyo. Yan ha. So narito ang tinatawag na the 8, okay? The 8 of Cups. Yan ha. Ibig sabihin nitong the 8 of Cups na ito, either ito yung mga taong with a higher position, di ba? It's like they need your service. Okay? So ibig sabihin nito, papasok na kayo. Papasok na kayo sa isang agreement, kaya lumabas ang the 8 of Cups ha. Papasok na po kayo sa agreements. Yan ha. Okay? Malaking agreements. So be very, very careful, ha? Dahil you need to understand, ibig sabihin nito, pag pumasok ka, you need to understand tinatawag na the rules, regulation, di ba? Because narito na. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na sila ang it's like they will offer you, okay? Kung ano itong tinatawag na richness, okay? The wealth, yan ha? Yan. So, ibig sabihin nito, you will work to this, ibig sabihin nito, kind of mga klase ng tao with a higher position. Okay? Yan. So, there is an understanding. Kaya lumabas ang the Ace of Swords. Ibig sabihin nito, yung tinatawag na legal. Legalized po ito, ha? Okay, legalized. That's between you and them, okay? So there is a success. So mangyayari po ito. Kaya lumabas ang the Magician, meaning manifesting. It is happening na, okay? So whatever is this, nakita ko dito, group of people, it's like people with the higher position, the same like you, they are attracted to your intelligence. Ibig sabihin nito, mangyayari na, okay? It's happening na. It's like tinatawag, ito is, yan yan na, it's like meron na sila mga pag-uusap. So, ibig sabihin nito, papasok na. Whatever is this, ibig sabihin niyan, tinatawag, be ready. Okay? Oo.